Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best under-desk treadmills in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best under-desk treadmills. The 5th product on our list is Sperax Under-Desk Treadmill. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable under-desk treadmill, the Sperax Under-Desk Treadmill is a steal at just $139. It strikes a perfect balance between price, features, and functionality. Beyond saving you money, this walking pad has a compact, space-saving design that fits seamlessly into any room. Measuring 39 by 21 by 3.5 inches with a 15.4 by 39-inch running belt, it's the right size for most users. Don't let its size fool you. This 3-in-1 walking pad is powered by a 2.5 horsepower motor and hits top speeds of 3.8 miles per hour. Whether you want to walk, jog, or take advantage of the 5-minute vibration massage to relax your muscles post-workout, it's got you covered. For added convenience, Sperax's treadmill comes with a remote control, so no need to bend down to adjust settings. It also pairs with an intuitive mobile app, allowing you to control the treadmill and track your progress from your phone. Weighing just 22 pounds, it's super easy to move around thanks to built-in rollers, and it supports users up to 350 pounds. Despite its power, the Sperax walking pad runs quietly at 45 decibels, making it perfect for home or office workouts without disturbing others. Up next in 4th place is the TrailViber Under-Desk Treadmill. If you're looking for the best walking pad for heavier people, the TrailViber Under-Desk Treadmill is a perfect fit. This durable and heavyweight treadmill weighs 44 pounds and supports users up to 450 pounds, ensuring you can work out safely and comfortably while meeting your fitness goals. The TrailViber offers a spacious training area with a 16.5 by 40.5 inch running belt and overall dimensions of 48 by 21 by 4.8 inches, offering plenty of room to move without feeling cramped. Equipped with a 2.5 horsepower motor, this walking pad can hit speeds up to 4 miles per hour, letting you push your limits. Whether you prefer walking, jogging, hiking, or running, you'll find one of its 4 workout modes to fit your routine. If you want to level up, the 9-level automatic incline climbs up to 12%, making it perfect for simulating a hiking experience. The remote control lets you easily adjust the treadmill's core functions, like power, speed, and incline, without interrupting your workout. A large RGB LED display makes it easy to track your stats at a glance, including speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The 3rd product on our list is the HCC Sport Treadmill with Desk. If you work remotely or spend hours sitting at your desk, the HCC Sport Treadmill with Desk is the ultimate way to stay active while you work. It features a removable desk workstation measuring 24.5 by 11 inches, perfect for holding your laptop, tablet, or phone. This treadmill comes pre-lubricated, so there's no need to deal with applying belt lubricant before your first workout. Just set it up and start moving. Powered by a quiet 3.5 horsepower motor, it can hit speeds up to 8 miles per hour, allowing you to walk while typing or attending virtual meetings or even run. With 12 exercise modes to choose from and a built-in Bluetooth speaker, you can easily mix up your routine and keep things interesting. Want an extra challenge? The treadmill's adjustable incline lets you crank up the intensity to meet your fitness goals. A wristband remote control makes it easy to adjust speed and settings on the fly, keeping your workout seamless and uninterrupted. When you're done, its foldable design ensures easy storage. Fully extended, it measures 55 by 27 by 4.7 inches with a 16.5 by 42.5 inch running belt, but once folded, it barely takes up any space. Weighing just 44 pounds, it's easy to move around, and it supports users up to 280 pounds. The 2nd product on our list is the EgoFit Walker Pro. If you're searching for a compact walking pad with the smallest footprint possible, the EgoFit Walker Pro is your best bet. Measuring just 38.39 by 21.85 by 6.89 inches, it's ideal for those who want a space-saving treadmill without the hassle of folding it up. That said, the 16.54 by 34.25-inch running belt might feel a bit snug for taller users, people with longer strides, or pet parents who like to work out alongside their pets. If you need something a little longer but still compact, check out the Kingsmith Walking Pad Z1 or P1. But despite its small size, the EgoFit Walker Pro delivers solid performance. Weighing 48.5 pounds, it supports users up to 220 pounds and features a 2-horsepower motor with speeds up to 3.1 miles per hour. Want to boost your calorie burn? The built-in 5% fixed incline helps you take things up a notch. Convenience is key with this walking pad. It comes with a remote control, so you can tweak settings without pausing your workout. Plus, the user-friendly app makes it easy to track your progress and personalize your daily workouts. Finally, when it comes to customer service, EgoFit's got your back. Their support team is known for being responsive and helpful, offering quick solutions and replacements when needed. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the GoPlus 2-in-1 Walking Pad. If you're looking for the best under-desk treadmill that delivers serious bang for your buck, check out the GoPlus 2-in-1 Walking Pad. Priced under $300, this versatile treadmill has a foldable design that makes it perfect for tight spaces. It's powered by a 2.25 horsepower motor, reaching speeds of 7.5 miles per hour without the handrails, and 2.5 miles per hour when the handrails are up. Measuring 52 by 27 by 5 inches, with a 16 by 40-inch running belt, it weighs 74 pounds and supports users up to 265 pounds. The handlebar has a touchscreen display, though only the start, stop, and plus-minus buttons are functional. Essential workout stats, distance, speed, time, and calories burned are shown on the LED screen for easy tracking. You can control the walking pad with the remote or its companion app, which offers more advanced fitness tracking. It's even equipped with a built-in Bluetooth speaker, so you can jam to your favorite playlist or take video calls while walking. For added safety, the easy access kill switch lets you quickly shut it down in case of an emergency. Best of all, it runs quietly, making it ideal for use at home, in the office, or anywhere you want to squeeze in some steps without disturbing others. That's all for our list of the 5 best under-desk treadmills on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.